back into it.
Hi guys, welcome back to fourth part of the PC build series. In my previous videos, I have already shown the PC cabinet and the monitor used for my build. If you have not watched those videos, you'll get the links from the description box. So in this video, I'll be sharing you the information on the actual PC components I'll be using for my build. With some basic knowledge on PC components and going through a lot of videos and Google answers, finally I decided to go with this configuration, which I feel is the best configuration for mid-range PC builds worth 60 to 70k. Starting with the processor, I have selected Intel i5-12400F, which costed me 10,999. So here F indicates that it doesn't have integrated graphics, means we have to use an external dedicated graphics card for the display. This is one of the best mid-range performance-oriented processor which can handle both editing and gaming. Personally, my use case was mostly on the productivity tasks like editing or 3D work and some casual gaming. So I went with this one. Inside the box you get this processor and a stock cooler. This processor comes with 6 cores, 12 threads, 18 MB cache, max clock speed of 4.4 GHz. Also, this processor consumes very less power. I'll be not using this stock cooler. Instead, I'll be using a better air cooler. Coming to the cooler, I have selected this Cooler Master Hyper 212 Spectrum V3, which costed me 1969. Inside the box you get user manual, mounting brackets, 120mm ARGB cooling fan, and a heat sink. Moving on to the RAM, I'll be using this ADATA XPG Lancer DDR5 16GB, which has a speed of 5200 MHz. This is the RGB version, which costed me 4655. There are also non-RGB versions available if you want to reduce the cost. I am using this single 16GB stick since I have a plan to upgrade it in the coming days. Coming to the storage, I'll be using this XPG GameX S70 Blade M.2 NVMe SSD of 1 TB, which costed me 5320. This is also compatible with PCI Gen 4 interface, and it can give read and write speed of 7400 and 6800 MB per second. This SSD is also backward compatible with PCI Gen 3 interface, but with lesser speeds. Moving on to the motherboard, I'll be using Gigabyte B760M DS3H AX DDR5 motherboard, which comes with inbuilt Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. which costed me 14,920. This motherboard can support Intel 12th and 13th gen processors without any BIOS update. It comes with 4 DDR5 RAM slots, 2 M.2 NVMe SSD slots with PCI Gen 4 interface. Coming to the most important and the costliest component, which is the graphics card, I'll be using this Gigabyte NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 WindForce OC edition with 12 GB VRAM. This costed me 24,200. This is one of the best budget graphics card for mid-range PC builds currently, which can handle gaming, editing, streaming, and 3D works easily. You can game at 2K resolution and 1080p resolution at high refresh rate. Since it has 12 GB VRAM, it can also handle 3D rendering tasks in a better way. This is a power-hungry GPU, so we need to select a proper power supply for the build. Coming to the power supply, I'll be using Deepcool 650 watt 80 plus bronze certified edition. This is one of the best and efficient power supply, and the 650 watt rating is sufficient for the configuration I have selected. This is very good quality PSU and also comes with bigger size fan for better cooling. This costed me 4,560. So that's all about the main PC components. Additionally, I have bought this Daiso Cyborg Edition RGB keyboard and mouse, which costed me 1000 rupees. To summarize, this is a list of all the components with their prices. I have purchased all the components online. Usually online prices keep fluctuating. So I have placed the order when the price was slightly less, and also I have used the credit card offers wherever it was applicable. That's all about the PC components I'll be using. In my next video, I'll be showing you the steps for assembling this step by step along with Windows and driver installation. Stay tuned for that video. For more updates, subscribe and also follow us on Instagram. Thank you for watching. I'll be back in the next one.